Good afternoon, McDaniel College class of 2020, and welcome to the parents, families, and friends who are watching. Thank you for joining today's celebration. As president of McDaniel College, I am privileged to have the opportunity to honor this remarkable class of graduates. Let me be the first to say congratulations to each one of you. I recognize that when you began as a first-year student, a transfer student, or a graduate student here on the Hill, you expected this day quite different. I know that I did. None of us would have ever imagined this would be the ending of your final semester. I am truly sorry for all of the unavoidable disruptions that you have faced. Although we are not able to be together in person today, it is important that we still take this time to recognize and honor all of your accomplishments. I know how important this day is to all of you, and particularly to those of you who, like me, are the first one in your families to graduate from college. Your class deserves to mark a milestone this day, but please know that this is not your commencement. We remain committed to celebrating you during an in-person class of 2020 commencement ceremony next spring, and I look forward to welcoming you back to campus then. Again, this has truly been an unprecedented semester, but I have been amazed by your determination and your resilience. It has been a remarkable experience to observe how you have all responded to this challenge. And although you are entering a world full of extraordinary uncertainty, I have no doubt that you will succeed. You are the people who will lead our future, and I am tremendously proud that you are McDaniel. I now want to introduce the president of the McDaniel College Alumni Association, Chuck Sullivan, class of 1972.
I'm Chuck Sullivan, class of 1972, and president of the McDaniel College Alumni Association. It's my honor to speak to you today. The McDaniel Alumni Association was formed in 1872. Since its inception, the Alumni Association has played a significant role in the ongoing life of McDaniel alumni, engaging them in the mission of our campus, organizing networking opportunities, and celebrating alumni successes around the world. As it says in our alma mater, college ties shall never be broken. And it's our mission to ensure that they are not broken. When you first arrived on the Hill, you were ready and eager to find out who you would become during your time here. Some of you may have had a clear picture of who you thought you would become during this journey. Some of you may have had no idea and found your path along the way. I would venture to guess that all of you encountered surprises and unexpected challenges along that path. Every challenge you encountered during your time on the Hill, whether it was a difficult course, a roommate disagreement, or yes, even COVID-19, has prepared you for life beyond today. You've acquired strength and knowledge, learned flexibility and resilience, and formed relationships that will endure, and you'll be better for it all. You've come so far in your time on the Hill, but just imagine how far you can go still. Nonetheless, you've reached a major milestone, and we are honored to call you alumni. Traditionally, at the conclusion of our commencement ceremonies, graduates reach under their seats to find a McDaniel alumni hat and put it on as a symbol of their transition from students to McDaniel College alumni. I invite you now to open that gift that was sent to you by the college, where you'll find your very own alumni hat. On behalf of the McDaniel College Alumni Association, congratulations to you all, the class of 2020, the newest class of McDaniel alumni. I wish you all the best. And now I'd like to turn it back to President Casey.
Thank you, Chuck. And now, the members of the class of 2020 should have their bells in hand and await my signal to simultaneously ring for the graduating class. I'm here in front of the old main bell, which sits at the heart of our campus as a symbol of our foundation. For over 150 years, McDaniel has educated critical thinkers, scientists, teachers, artists, global change makers. And this bell stands for all of them, just like it stands for all of you. I will first ring Old Main, and then I'll ask that you join me by ringing your bells, given to you as a gift from the college to welcome you into the fellowship of the alumni of this academic community. Again, congratulations, class of 2020.
Go! Oh, baby!
Bell in the mail.
Ringing at a bell.
Hitting on my bell.
Camera. All right, I'm done with that.
I don't have my
Kristen's
video
already
on.
ready to. So we'll wait.
Oh, that was great. I'm glad I had something. Drinking.
Yay, Kona! Okay.
I think they.